Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatin Azwani binti Azman. My matric number is PC04180069. Today I would like to tell you about roles in pharmacist assistant in the hospital. First role in pharmacist assistant is role of PA in OPD. OPD means outpatient department. OPD is a hospital department designed to be a first contact point between the patient and the hospital staff. Patient who goes first time to the hospital, he directly goes to OPD, and then the OPD decide to which department a patient should go. OPD receiving the patient prescription and provide green number to the patient. So many OPD can do, like helping in screening and checking of prescription, preparing of labeling and container for packaging, calculation, filling and packing medicament in a timely manner. Preparing extemporaneous preparation when necessary, like example syrup or cream. Role in pharmacist assistant in hospital number 2 is IPD. IPD means inspection department. They supply of drugs to the ward based on procedure for drug distribution. IPD to preparing medication for discharged patient, recording and documentation of control drug and list of drugs, monitoring balance of stock in IPD store, carry out overtime duties and on calls and working under supervision of pharmacists. Also cleaning of workstation. Roles in PA number 3 is in store. The role in PA in store may practice in accordance to current guidelines. They too must familiarize with the purse agents and the source of drug procurement, process and order, and to prepare the list of supply with the purchasing. They should also be aware about regular stock taking to ensure stock are up to date and slow moving items are picking up. They must do disposal of expired drugs. They to perform any task assigned by the superior department and to process the payment according to the invoice of goods given by the company. That's all from me. Thank you.